Shiriakanaka unoyende pi huya huya titambe ndiri kuyenda ku unboxing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm going to be unboxing a pickable bag sent to us by our friends from Kowi Bags. And you know how we love our designer handbags and our luxury on a budget handbags, and I haven't done a proper unboxing lately. I've just been showing you the final product, and today we're going to be opening it together and seeing it for the first time. So they sent me this Fendi pickable, and I'm so excited. I've been wanting a Fendi pickable. It's one of my favorite handbags that I've been wanting, but I've not been able to get my hands on them. And then when they presented me with this bag, I was like, yes, please send it to me. So as you can tell, the box looks in pristine condition. And with Kowi Bags, they sell all the designer luxury handbags that you can think of. And on this channel, I have done quite a lot of designer handbags from Kowi Bags, and the quality is just amazing. So take a look. This is what we are seeing as soon as we are opening the box, and it's beautiful. Let me bring it up close for you to see. Look at that, just beautiful. The box itself is nice and strong, just as you would expect from a luxury unboxing. Inside, I just put the bag on the side here, but inside you see that they have got this gift bag, where if you wanted to gift it, you can have it in here, and also you can wrap the box with the ribbon here, and the ribbon is written Fendi all over. And then also at the bottom, they've got this receipt, as well as explanations on your bag, just as you would expect to see when you buy something from any store or a designer luxury store. And then now this is nicely pegged. Look at that. And this is just one of those to help with moisture protection. So we're going to be opening it. And for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Esther. I do a lot of unboxings, and I love to show you affordable items that you can see on a budget. And today is like no other. And if you enjoy stuff like that, do not hesitate to press that subscribe button down below. And also, if you are a return viewer, you know what you like to do on this channel, press that like button so my video can be spread to other viewers like you. So this is the dust bag. So take a good look how beautiful this is. Just nice. And just like with any duster bag, you can also close it up like that, and we're gonna get it open inside so we can see. Oh, this is just beautiful. We can already see what it is, and it came in a very nice yellow color. So take a look at this one. I don't have the measurements with me because this was a surprise gifting from Kowi Bags, and I'll be writing down the measurements for you as you are seeing it. So this is the bag. Look at the stitching, just beautiful. So we're going to be removing all this protective covering from the bag so that we can take a good look together and see what it is that it's giving us. So everywhere is nicely protected. Look at it. This is also plastic covering the hardware. So the hardware is a silver hardware, and it just goes hand in hand with the yellow. And at the bottom, we do have feet here. But then if I put it to the side, you can tell that the feet really are touching together at the same time with this part here. So your bag will be nicely protected. And with Fendi pickable bags, they have got such a wide array of sizes. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they have almost 7 or 8 sizes. So you have got so many choices, and each version of the Fendi pickable has got its own styling. Some come with smaller bag straps, shoulder strap, and some come with thicker straps, so you have got the luxury of choosing what you want. And they also come in lambskin as well as in cow skin, but this one, as you can tell, this one is in a very nice cow skin. And look at that bubbling that you can see on that beautiful leather. So just go on the Kowi website. I'm showing you the coupon code that they've gifted us for an extra discount when you purchase the already discounted bags, as well as a wide array of other designer luxury. They've got bags, they've got shoes, accessories. So look at it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adjusting points. So inside we have all this authenticity and more, stuff that explains to you about how to take care of your bag. And it comes nicely in this Fendi labeled envelope. So inside now, so we have got one side, we have two sides, and on this one side here, it has got two slip pockets, one and the second one is this one. And this bag is so nice. It's not a huge short bag, it's just a nice sizable, if you're just running a short errand, if you're going on an evening out, a lunch date, you can easily just grab this, and you can always just hold it right here as a handheld, or you can put the strap. On the other side is just plain, there's nothing, and it's all in leather on the inside. And this is nice soft leather, and it feels nice and luxurious. Look at that, just beautiful. So on one side, once you have got your items inside, it closes. So you put it this way and you just turn this closure to close it. And look at that, it just comes out really nice. Isn't this just gorgeous? Beautiful. So I'm just going to be putting the straps on the side, and this is how you put them. You just put them over here. There we have it. Just beautiful. And then on this side here, just in case you have got so many things in your bag, this is removable. There we go. So see, you have removed it, and this is how it will look like. But I think I like it when it is closed up. And there you have it. So I'm just going to be modeling this bag for you so that you can see how it looks like when I have it on. So this is it if I want to have it as a shoulder bag, but I feel like this bag looks really well if you make it into a crossbody bag. So this is it, being a crossbody bag, and it's coming just around my belly button area right there, but I usually like it a little lower. I'm just going to adjust it to, I think maybe to the second from the last adjustment. So see, I'm only left with one adjustment there, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm adjusting it to the second from the last adjustment, and there we have it. And this is exactly how I like my bag. I like to be able to just hold it like this without having to bend my elbow too much, and it's just perfect. And if I'm walking and I'm doing anything, it's not really on my side, it's slightly to the front, and then on this side here, it's just perfect, and it lays really well. And also you can have it just without buckling it and have it looking like this, and see what a difference it already gives you to the bag. Look, it's puffed up just a little bit. So let's see some other things that we can fit into our bag. So I use a Samsung F23 FE. So this is it on the outside. This is just the phone case because I'm using it to record right now. And I'm trying to put it into this bag, right? And the only way that I can have it is if I am stretching the side a little bit. As you can see, it's poking on the side, and that's okay because our bag is nice and strong. It's not gonna cause any harm. And this is if I want the the phone in the bag, so it fits. And I'm just going to be adding in a few other essentials that I usually like to carry with me. So these are just my AirPods, and I'm just going to be putting them in there. And this is just a body lotion or hand lotion. It's a nice size, the perfect size, and I'm having it standing up, and you can also have it laying down. It still fits nicely. And on the opposite side, because there's enough room, I'm just going to be putting this lip gloss of mine and a lipstick, because I usually like having lipstick. And most of you know that I wear glasses, and these are glasses that I have, and I'm just going to be putting them on the other side and see if they'll be able to fit in. So this is just in case I want to remove my glasses and exchange them for sunglasses. And there you have it, perfectly fine. My bag is nice, and I can still close it if I wanted to right here, and it closes nicely, but I like the look of it when it's not closed up and it's just like that. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this bag. This is just such an amazing, beautiful, pickable, and the size is perfect. I don't think I would have liked a bigger size. This is just the perfect size, and you don't always need a bulky bag all the time. And the color is just perfect. It's one of those that can go with so many different outfits, and you can wear yellow with so many outfits, and you can wear it throughout the year as well, which is very nice. Thank you, Cowie Bags, for sending me this beautiful tote bag. I love it. Don't forget to check the link in the description down below for a direct link to Cowie Bags, so that you can see the wide array of handbags as well as other designer items that they have on their website. Cowie Bags is very reliable. The shipping is timely, and they communicate with you every step of the way, so you can be assured that you're going to be receiving your items. And I've worked with them throughout this whole year. If you go on my channel, you'll be able to see that I've worked with Cowie Bags for so many other gifted items that they have sent me, and I really love their items. So don't forget to also press that like button so my video can be spread to other viewers like you. Hope I'll be seeing you again next time. Love you. Bye.